So, have you heard about the word anagram? Of course, you ought to have heard it. But if today is your first day of coming across this word, anagram, then you pay attention and get to understand what it means and how it is used. The word anagram simply means the forming or making of another word from a word using the exact letters that form that word, or the forming of a phrase using another phrase. Do you understand now? But note, one thing you need to know about anagram is that it makes use of exact letters. Exact letters. For instance, the word silent. Silent. Now, you can rearrange this word silent to form listen. Listen. Remember, it is not listen, it is listen. The T is silent. It is listen. So, this is word for word. We have phrase for phrase. On phrase for phrase, we have the eyes, the eyes, the eyes, the eyes. Now the eyes, you can rearrange these letters to form the C, which is the anagram. So the first one is silent, the word. Then the anagram is listen. Now this one is the eyes. The anagram, the original word is the eyes. Then the anagram is the C. Another example for word is dormitory. Dormitory. You know where students live. Dormitory. So dormitory is the original word, which the anagram can form into two words. From dormitory, you can get dirty room. Dirty room. Dormitory. Dirty room. So this is anagram. Anagram. The forming of a word, a different word from another word, using the exact letters. Another example is rescue. You can form another word from rescue, which is secure. Rescue is the word, secure is the anagram. I hope you get the point now. So, next one, I'm going to come up with a different thing entirely. But for now, this is anagram. And I hope you understood something. So, if actually you understood something, if you really learned something from this, I want you to form your own anagram on the comment section. Just say something on the comment section. Your own anagram. Your original word and the anagram. See you on the comment section. Let me see how smart you are. See you next time.